Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us today, I'm Miss Didi, and if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. Yes, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you few tricks on iPhone, a lot of tricks that people don't know that is on iPhone. So I'll be teaching you guys few tricks on iPhone. So if you are using iPhone, this tutorial is for you. Ta-da! So let's begin. So for the first trick, go to your photos. So I'll be teaching you two tricks on these photos. So the first one is if you want to select and deselect your picture, and the second one is if you want to move a picture. So a lot of people, if they want to select their picture, they'll click on select, then you start clicking 1 2 3 4 5, or they'll just go to click select all. No, you might select one and that's no, I don't want to select, I want to just select half. Do you understand? So what you're going to do is click on one of the picture you want to select. Click on the picture and then you drag. If you want to stop here, you stop here. If you want to stop here at the second row, you stop at the second row. If you want to select all. So you see what I'm doing now. If I select all and I want to deselect, I'll just click on it again and deselect. I'll click on the picture and drag it down and I will deselect. Now the second one is how to move a picture. So I'm going to click on this picture right now. If I want to move it to this place, if I want to move it here, just click and drag. So another trick I'll be teaching is, I'm going to select any picture. You can select any picture of your choice with a finger, then use the other finger to tap any of your picture. Then you can now go and move it to any album of your choice. Let's go to this one here, and you can see everything is moved here. So for the second trick, you go to the app messages. You want to select two. I'll be using select, and you just want to go to edit and start dotting. No, don't go through that. Just use two fingers and tap and drag all your pictures, and it will select. I'm going to be doing it now, and drag. If you want to deselect, drag up. You see what I'm doing? So that's how you select and deselect your pictures. Tap and drag to deselect, tap and drag to select. Simple as that. Done. Tap and drag. That's all. If you want to select on images, so you can use this same method for other for fights. You can just click on it. Then use your other hand to tap on it, and can put it in media. Do you understand? So it doesn't just work on photos, can work on any other files. So the next one is camera. There's a lot of things that people don't know about iPhone camera when snapping picture, like zooming. You can just click on this dot. I'm using 8+ and auto, but I'm going to be teaching this too. Zooming and how to increase the brightness and reduce the brightness. Then my next tutorial, I'll be teaching more about it. The first one, if I want to reduce the brightness of my picture, if I check the picture, getting a dark picture. If I want to increase the brightness of my picture, see the difference. So if what you're going to just tap, you see this like a sun stuff, then you increase it, tap on it and increase, or you tap on it and reduce. If you want to reduce the brightness, tap on it and increase. If you want to increase the brightness of your picture. Then for your portraits, you can use your studio light to filter or edit your pictures. So the next trick is, if you download an app and you can't find it here, like your apps or stuff, so see, what you're going to do is go to your app library and search for the app I'm looking for is Freelancer here. So you're going to drag it here. I don't know if you see what I did. So you go to your search, your library and look for the app freelancer, click and drag, then you paste it here. That's what you're going to do. So if you're looking for the app, as far as you're downloading it to your phone, you go to the search for the app, then drag it to wherever you can find it, wherever it's searchable for you. So you can just use the method, say, hey Siri, send this to someone. But due to the fact I'm using screen recorder right now, Siri will not respond. Let's try. Hey Siri. Yes, it won't respond. So I would love to show you this method, but you can just use your phone. Just say, hey Siri, send this to mom, send this to your sister, send this to my brother. It will just send. Do you understand? So that's it for today's tutorial on iPhone trick. So if you want to learn more tricks on iPhone, I drop you more tutorials on tricks on iPhone. Please kindly subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for joining me in this class. Love you guys. Bye.